Whirlpool washers are renowned for their durability and efficiency. However, like any other appliance, they can sometimes encounter issues. One common problem that users often face is the washer not starting. This article will delve into the possible reasons why your Whirlpool washer won't start and provide practical solutions to get it up and running again. Common reasons why your Whirlpool washer won't start. There are several reasons why your Whirlpool washer might not start. Here are some of the most common ones. Power issues. The washer might not be receiving power due to a tripped circuit breaker or a faulty power cord. Door or lid switch malfunction. If the door or lid switch is defective, the washer won't start. Control board problems. A faulty control board can prevent the washer from starting. Timer issues. If the timer is not working correctly, the washer might not start. Troubleshooting your Whirlpool washer. Before calling a professional, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to try and resolve the issue yourself. Checking the power supply. Ensure that the washer is plugged in and the outlet is functioning correctly. If the washer still won't start, check the circuit breaker to see if it is tripped. If it has, reset it and try starting the washer again. Inspecting the door or lid switch. If the door or lid switch is defective, it can prevent the washer from starting. To check if this is the issue, try closing the door or lid firmly and starting the washer. If it still won't start, the switch might need to be replaced. Examining the control board. If the control board is faulty, it can prevent the washer from starting. Unfortunately, this is not something that can be easily fixed at home and will likely require professional assistance. Replacement parts for Whirlpool washer won't start. If your Whirlpool washer won't start, you might need to replace some parts. These could include the power cord, door or lid switch, control board, or timer. It's always best to consult with a professional before attempting to replace any parts yourself. When to call a professional. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your washer still won't start, it's time to call a professional. Whirlpool has service centers in many provinces across America, and their technicians are well equipped to handle any issues with your washer. To find the nearest service center, visit the official Whirlpool website and use their service center locator. Conclusion: while it can be frustrating when your Whirlpool washer won't start, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. If all else fails, don't hesitate to call a professional. Remember, attempting to fix a complex issue yourself could potentially cause more harm than good. Note, the information provided in this article is collected from various online sources. While we strive for accuracy, there may be some discrepancies. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, please visit the official Whirlpool website. The site owner is not responsible for any inaccuracies or issues that may arise from the use of this information.